You know what you just love about these trucks right here? You just love that all three of them are matched serial numbers that are just really square. They come out of one fleet, a local fleet here that's had nothing but pavement to pavement and love right from the first time they've been put into service till out of service. They're a full maintenance PacLease truck, which is maintained with the strictest of intervals and just really nice iron. And the spec, get down to the spec. You got a stainless steel visor, not always on every truck standard. You got fat pipes up top. You've got a nice looking deck plate. You've got long Hope built fenders. You've got chrome wire guards in the back. But really zoom into this thing and just look at no rust. Man, you just love dry state stuff. And you know, everywhere where you can see rust, like normally in these welds right here in the banjos, nothing. You really just like everything. And these haven't even been polished yet, have they, Jesse?
No.
Yeah, so they haven't been polished. There's tanks are proportioned right. The depth tank's proportioned right. And just very nice equipment. I mean, you just look on the inside, you know, just very nice. Well, we got a tour seat there, but you're seeing these things fresh, coming right off. All they've been is washed. They haven't been refurbished yet. They haven't been ran through the polish shop yet. So you're seeing them raw. This is the kind of stuff we like to sell. We love getting our hands on this kind of iron. We know everything about it from womb to tomb. Yeah, many more to come.